A day with the district police and the FC security personnel. This is a very hard day if you believe me.
नलिया कुर्बानियां भी दी और जेले दिन दुख आजादी हलवा खीर नहीं किसी की जागीर नहीं जज्बा ना हो तो फिर ख्वाब की ताबीर नहीं कोई संजीत नहीं रोक दे जो तुझको सोच से शाहीन बन सोच से फकीर बह गए खून और कट गए गले देखो कितने शहीद हुए कितने हैं लड़े और खड़े सीने ताने देखो कितने के बड़े जब तलवार सर पे हो फिर भी न डरे वो
security of the local police from area to area, and now they're gonna change like that, and that's now the one who is going to take us from another district, and that's how they work from district to district. They'll take us, and it was so amazing. Here we have a motorcycle accident. I don't know why, so the police was trying to figure out what happened and to make sure they're fine. They asked them a couple of questions, and then when they make sure that they have no sort of high risk injuries or something like that, and the policeman was trying to guide them how to drive and how to take care of your bike while driving. Now once they make sure that nobody is hurted that bad, they walk to the mobile. Now we are heading to our destinations with another security personnel. So that's how they keep changing security mobiles. So they change hundreds of mobiles.